Welcome back to Next Level Homes. Have you ever entered a home that looked beautiful but something just didn't feel right? Many times the entryway and the living room didn't match. When these two spaces work together, the whole home feels more welcoming, bigger, and more luxurious. Today, we are sharing 10 easy design ideas that help connect your entryway and living room in a simple and elegant way. The first idea is to use the same flooring in both spaces, marble, stone, or wood flooring that continues from the front door into the living room. Creates a smooth and beautiful look. Next, choose the same colors soft cream, beige, white, and light gray. Make the home feel calm, bright, and expensive. Adding small gold details brings a touch of luxury without making the room feel too busy. Lighting is another important part of the design. A crystal chandelier in the living room and matching wall lights or ceiling lights in the entryway create a warm and balanced feeling. Large windows are also a great feature. They let in natural light, making every corner of the home look fresh, open, and inviting. Long curtains and elegance make the ceilings appear taller. Furniture should also match the style of the home. Curved sofas, modern coffee tables, and comfortable chairs create a space that looks stylish while still feeling warm and relaxing. Don't forget to add a little greenery. A few tall indoor plants or fresh flowers can make the room feel alive and bring natural beauty indoors. Decorative shelves, beautiful artwork, and simple accessories help complete the space. Try not to add too many decorations. A clean and organized room always looks more luxurious. Finally, remember that luxury is not only about expensive furniture, it is about choosing the right colors, good lighting, quality materials, and a design that flows naturally from one room to the next. A well designed home feels comfortable, peaceful, and welcoming from the moment you walk through the front door. We hope these ideas inspire you to create your own dream home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Next Level Homes, and turn on the notification bell so you can never miss our latest luxury home designs. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.